Assalamualaikum all students. I'm Razia from BHSS KUPWARA. My trade is ITes. Today our topic is operating system. As we are nowadays we are studying our own subject, our core subject, that is IT, information technology, and in this we have covered previous lecture in which we have studied about the internal components of computer. Now we will study about operating system. What operating system is. Here a computer needs to communicate with both the hardware and software. So to do this we need the service of a system software which is called as operating system. Okay, operating system is a system software. So we have a number of popular operating systems. For example, we have Windows, we have Linux, we have Unix, we have MS-DOS, we have Mac operating system, etc. So the operating system, it's nothing. It's an interface between the user of the system and the hardware of the system. So it's just like we can say it's just like the management which lays down the policies for efficient utilization of resources. So this operating system, it manages the resources so that they are efficiently utilized by each and every component of the computer. Okay, then every computer, whether it's an independent system like desktop or a cell phone, must have an operating system, because without an operating system we cannot operate a machine, we cannot operate a computer, we cannot operate a mobile. So operating system is the main or is the basic software which is very much important for a computer to function. So this operating system, it does core functionalities like it does accepting input from various input devices, or it directs the output to the output device, and it also manages files and directories. It also does communicate with hardware, and it also install and uninstall any device, any peripheral device which is to be connected or which is to be disconnected. And now we'll go to functions of operating system. There are many functions of operating system. The very much priority on the basis of priority, we can say it provides communication between user and computer, which is very much important. Otherwise user cannot interact with the computer. Second one is it does resource management, and this resource management can be process management, it can be file management, it can be memory management. So we'll go through them one by one. First of all, we'll go through communication manager. And this operating system, it manages the communication needs of the system, be it a peripheral device or internet. They are addressed by the operating system. Each of the peripheral devices, like we have a printer, we have mouse, they have they have their unique characteristics or their unique attributes, and the computer needs to know these unique properties to interact with them. So for this purpose, the operating system is the very special software which uses some important programs which are called as drivers, which enables recognition of these devices and their properties. Okay, then we have second function, that is resource management. The working of a computer system is predominantly dependent on how its resources are being managed. So the resources that we talk of here are the memory of the computer, we can say the CPU time, we have files, we have secondary storage, we have input devices, we have output devices. So the operating system, it handles the allocation of resources, and it gives the resources to that device, to that component which has its priority need. Okay. Then we have process management. A process, we know that a process is a program which is currently executing in a computer or in the memory, we can say, or which is waiting for the CPU so that it can get its CPU time to get its execution. Okay, in a computer there are multiple processes in the system. The operating system manages, controls, schedules all the processes being executed in the computer. Okay. And this operating system, it also decides which process gets processor and for how long time an instruction or a process needs the CPU. Okay, then we have another management, that is memory management. For a process to be executed, it has to be loaded in the working memory, that is the RAM. The memory management component of an operating system, it allocates memory to the processes in the dynamic manner, that is allocated on demand and which is released when not needed. Okay. It's always released when it's not used, and it's always allocated when it is used. And then we have the last management, that is file management. As we know, operating system takes care of all the files and folders which are maintained on the computer disk, and the basic task that a user needs to perform on files are creation, renaming, deletion, copying, or we can say moving a file or folder. And all files stored in a computer system can be located through the file system. Okay, this is all for today's topic, and tomorrow we'll start with some next topic. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.